Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Ayana Alicia. So today I'm going to be retwisting my hair. So first I'm just going to show you some of the things that I use to retwist my hair. So I just have these little dumbbell clips. I think that's what you call them, dumbbell clips. And my lock and twist gel. Here I'm using the Jamaica Mango and Lime. I really don't like Jamaica Mango and Lime products, but I'm trying to use up all the products that I have. So I only have like a little bit of it left. So I'm just going to use it. I haven't experienced any buildup with it, but I don't know. I just don't like Jamaican Mango and Lime products. But anyways, I also have my combs, of course. I like to use the rat tail comb one just to do my parting sometimes. Sometimes I try to get neat parting, sometimes I don't. It really don't matter to me. And then I also use this Super Grow hair gel. I really like this product to use to retwist my whole hair, but I only have a little bit of it left, so I didn't use that one. Well, I use it just to do like the front part of my hair, since I only had a little bit of it left. But when I say that product works great, it works great. It kind of reminds me of edge control a little bit. And then of course I have my spray bottle with my water and my essential oils in there and some of my other oils. Of course I'm going to be using a mirror, and I also have my big mirror as well. And what I didn't show in the clip was my hair clips. So let's just get straight into it.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my